Today I'll be doing a escapement replacement project on this Underwood No.5. The reason behind this is because the original star wheel escapement was broken off. It was missing the bearings and the counterweight as well as the axle that goes through the bracket on the escapement. This is the original escapement. That's where it would have gone. Now, I could have just replaced the escapement mechanism itself. Found the new one, got some new bearings for it and the new counterweight, but actually that is more work than replacing the entire escapement unit. And I have a parts machine Underwood 5 from roughly the same era. This is, I believe, in 1911, and the parts machine is in 1916. Having gone over these two escapements, I don't believe any changes were made during those years, so it should bolt right in. This is an undertaking not really for the faint of heart or those that have never worked on typewriters. You need quite a bit of advanced mechanical skills on these machines in order to know what you're doing. You'll have to remove the bracket bolts and the actual bracket that hold the escapement in place. You're going to have to undo a couple linkages. And then you do have to unbolt the entire segment and move this mechanism forward in order to have the room you'll need to remove the U-bar of the escapement. There's 4 screws in there that you remove in order to do so. With that, a lot of the keys will become undone. So this is what a type bar looks like in an Underwood 5. And I love these type bars because they are the linkage type where there's no clip or anything that holds them in place. They're a hook-on type, so in order to remove these, it's just a matter of undoing them within the segment and they pop right out. And as a way of servicing, this really is the best way to go in my opinion. As you can see, I left the drum spring in there, although it would have been easier if I had taken it out in order to remove it. I might still remove it in order to reinstall the new escapement. But that's where I'm at right now with this machine. It's a customer's machine. There was more wrong with it than we originally anticipated. I knew it was missing parts in the carriage. It was missing the carriage return lever, the bracket that goes over top. But then disassembling this typewriter, I came to discover the reason why it was probably parted out is because the escapement was broken. So this will be good for parts. And then this will be going into this typewriter this weekend. I'll do an update video later on to show you how it's working.